I think he won't.
He won't. He won't.
I think he just borrowed it and dipped it in the
He
cheese.
would rather have a glove. Namaste guys, we are back with yet another exciting baseball video, and today we are reacting to which
Today
video?
we are reacting to MLB greatest fan interactions by the Sporting Maniac. So please subscribe to their channel and share your love to our channel as well. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends who love our reactions.
Yes, so without any further ado, let's just start the reaction.
Is the lovely Kate Upton.
Kate Upton.
And Justin Verlander tossing her baseball. And
Gifting
it's
a
gotta be
souvenir.
love.
It's gotta be love.
We all know how Taylor Swift also got engaged with this American football player, and I think if like celebrities go and watch all these kind of sports, and if a player has a chance, why won't they,
We have
use
seen
it?
this in cricket as well. We have seen many celebrities getting engaged with
Our
cricket
own
players.
favorite, the goat of cricket, Virat Kohli, whenever he scores a century, always gives a kiss to his wife Anushka Sharma, who is also a Bollywood
Ba-
celebrity.
Of course, she is also a Bollywood celebrity. She was a great actor before marrying him. So it happens
It
in
happens in
sports
cricket.
and films. They almost collide with each other.
Collide with each other, and why not? Why not? If you have a opportunity and you are a sports star, maybe
Yeah,
you
of
will.
course.
You have a risk.
48 hours from clinching a playoff spot. He just misses this. Look at the guy right there.
The Cardinals, Luke Weaver.
Oh,
Beto
he
just
brought
sweet,
he
just
brought
a-
Addison
the
Russell as
Yeah.
a present.
because he I think
Because of his leg.
Big hit for him.
he ruined
Look at
his
the guy right there.
Yeah,
He
look.
just
Yes,
misses
he
this.
kicked his food.
yeah.
Look at the guy
Not
right
intentionally.
Not
but
The
intentionally.
Cardinals,
he-
Luke Weaver.
he was very
Beto
kind
pinch
to
hit
bring
for
his
him,
food
and
back.
Addison Russell as a
That's really
present.
sweet.
That's really sweet. That's the first time I'm seeing this.
Now that's cool.
That's
Any
cool.
sport.
Really cool of him.
And finally, he has his sunglasses.
What happened?
Oh,
just borrowed some
fan
fans.
gave him the sunglasses
He
because
goes over there.
he was
Can't
standing
get the ball.
directly
That's a hot
in front
dog
of the
there.
sun.
Okay. We'll
Great. He goes over there. Can't get the ball. Oh, that's a hot dog there.
These are, by the way, very
Sophia,
cool interactions with fans of players because in cricket we have a lot of space between
Yeah,
the
barricading and all,
spectators
yeah.
and the players.
We'll put a
So-
video why there is a barricading, because even after India won the World Cup, everyone just ran into the pitch. So that is why there is a lot of barricading security for the players so that people don't just come inside, because
They just don't barge in the field. So,
barge in the field, because
because of that security concerns, it is barricaded and it is being
it's only
protected.
barricaded in India and Southeast Asian countries, because
But there is a gap in Europe's
Europe
cricket
also,
fields
yeah, but
as
it's
well.
not like a
But
big fence.
It is not like a big fence, but we are seeing these interactions. These are really new for us because we haven't seen these things happening in cricket.
Yeah.
Start this ball game. He goes out and flips a ball to a youngster, and that youngster has a memory that'll last him a lifetime. He got a ball from Mike Trout to start the game,
Mike
and it's a
Trout,
celebration.
And he is wearing the jersey of his
around.
name also.
Let's
Mike
see.
Trout.
He sure did. Took one of that man's nachos. He didn't dip it in the cheese.
took
though.
one nacho.
It might have already had some cheese on it. That's
That is
perfect.
really great.
That dude is so
But
unsuspecting.
I have just one concern.
Yes, Mike.
Look at this player. Some fitness concern is there.
I don't know what is the fitness criteria
Yeah.
because in our cricket we have some yo-yo test,
Bronco
or
test
Bronco
right now
test.
in cricket.
So
If you
there are-
want to qualify, Bronco test, which is actually used in rugby.
So we have different kinds of fitness tests so that players can qualify to play international games. But here we can see some unhealthy nachos getting consumed by the players. So we are concerned about that and what type of player he is. If you guys can comment,
Yeah.
like he is a batter.
And what are the standards
or
of
he
fitness in baseball?
does-
I think this is like a little old video. What is the standard
It
now?
is old video. I think this is a video is from 5 years ago, which we are right now reacting to.
Yes, yes.
But it's still fitness should be there.
Fitness should be there.
That's perfect. That dude is so unsuspecting.
However, there is a Pakistani player whose fitness is
See, fitness depends
out of the
on
world.
fitness depends upon the team also. Not like India has Bronco test, but West Indies and Pakistan teams like that can't afford to have a fitness test because they don't have that kind of players only. If they
Hmm.
get some talented player, they don't just say him to get fit and throw him out of the team because they have
They have
less.
less amount of player, less amount of talent coming, and that's why they can't just afford to lose player by just putting a qualifying test to be in the team. So, but well, I mean, we'll just
And
put a
this is a league also,
Hmm.
and Indian Premier League also. We have seen Mahendra Singh Dhoni playing cricket at the age of 40 to 43
Hmm.
years old. He is playing IPL till now.
Hmm.
So this is also a league. I think maybe in international cricket they
Maybe
focus.
international baseball.
International baseball.
Hmm.
Sorry for that. In maybe in international baseball they are focusing more on fitness,
Hmm.
not in the league.
Yeah, but do let us know in the comments what is the criteria or if there is any test of sorts.
Here's Mike Trout signing autographs
Again,
prior to the
Mike
game.
Trout. I
Again,
think Mike Trout is like very amazing person.
I think he is the Virat Kohli of baseball because there are many fans we have seen that they are interacting with
But
Trout.
he's very humble as well because again another Mike
We
Trout
have
video.
seen
And how
that
about
one video also. Like he was the Trout only was
I
there.
don't remember.
That TikTok making a
Maybe it
TikTok
was
with
someone
this.
else. He was
It was
someone. It was
okay.
not Mike Trout. Yeah.
Okay, but here we have seen 2 3 instances. He is
Hmm.
quite famous.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mike Trout signing autographs prior to the game? And how about this? Giving his bat.
He also gave his
See again,
To
he is
a
giving
young fan
bat.
who
He is
cannot
giving
believe
sign.
it.
He is
So
giving
as Hunter
ball.
comes
He is giving souvenir ball. He is giving his signed bat. He is signing on jerseys. So I think he's a
He's
very
very
he is
humble.
loved by
Loud
many
by.
fans,
Yeah.
many
up,
people.
Cabrera comes out on deck. And is he relaxed? I mean, is
Yeah,
this guy
he's-
relaxed?
Yeah.
Now
Wouldn't
he
you
will
be?
go and tell to all his friends that I shook the hand of this player
Will he even wash it?
for
Ball that,
2 3 days. I think he won't.
He won't. He won't.
Wouldn't you be?
The ball that went over the Tigers' dugout into the stands. Somebody threw a glove up there. Miggy threw his glove, had to get the glove back, and he said, "You give me the glove back, I will give
Oh.
you a baseball."
Oh.
And she got a baseball. Yeah, I think I'd rather have the glove.
I think I would rather have a glove.
I think.
What would you like to have? A glove or a ball? Do let
I
us know in
think
the
I will
comment.
have a glove because, in my opinion, the balls keep on going to the crowd section.
The ball is not a rare commodity.
commodity. Glove is a rare commodity, and especially it is a player's glove.
And what else is a rare commodity? You showering the page a little love. Just subscribe to our channel, please, and
And
like
like
this
the
video.
video as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Called out for more than just the baseball.
Homer and a double.
He hugged him. He was not expecting it.
That's kind of how you want to face this guy, as he gives that bat away to that fan
Got
right there.
the whole set. Ball also he has, gloves, and now
And
he
How
got bat.
jacked is he?
Another one.
2 outs.
And he did give it the bat. Very nice.
This is quite fun.
This is quite
Like
fun.
players giving, we have seen in cricket like players giving their bats to another player or their teammates, but we have not seen players giving their bat as a souvenir to their fans as well. So
Yeah.
this is quite unique and new for us, and we had an amazing time reacting to this video. So please share your love on our channel. Please subscribe the channel. Please like this video and share it with your friends.
Exactly, and if you ever had a chance to have this sort of a moment with a baseball player, do let us know about that in the comments as well, because we are also excited to know what all you have, had a
And
chance to have in
your
your
side
life.
of story also.
Exactly. So share your story in the comments, like this video, and do share it with all of your friends so that they know that these two fellas over here on YouTube are reacting to amazing baseball content. For now, that was it. We'll be back with yet another exciting baseball video. Bye bye.